Hi, my name is Khalil Chan, and I would like to know if we should invest in advancing embryonic screening. The process of screening is a lot like a process called in vitro fertilization, where the egg is manually fertilized and placed inside the mother. The difference is here, a group of embryos have each of their genetic data examined for signs of certain genetic diseases. Then, the parents can choose which embryo, or in many cases, embryos, the mother would like to carry. I come from a very ethnically diverse family, and that results in us displaying a multitude of racial features, including a diverse list of genetic diseases and disabilities. In just the past 3 generations alone, my family has displayed at least one member with breast cancer, colon cancer, Alzheimer's disease, extreme bipolarity, and/or alcoholism. While not all genetic diseases can be identified, in the last few years, some specialized doctors, such as Mark Hughes, have learned to identify sickle cell, ataxia, spinal muscular atrophy, and over 100 more that kill children in early years. More and more diseases are being identified every day as our understanding of genetics and DNA codes grow. The process of embryonic screening intrigues me because if I decide to have children in the future, I may be faced with a choice. Would I like to be responsible for cleansing my family tree of diseases that have ended the lives of my ancestors in the past? Some other questions to ask. Is it possible that the process puts high risk on the mother and/or her developing child? Is it right to mess with the natural order? So far, our species have been able to survive without the testing and screening of embryonic cells. The issue gets especially tricky when some parents want male or female embryos, which is actually in practice today. In 5 or 10 years, parents may even be able to order a child with specific facial and physical features, the so-called designer babies. Parents of the future may indeed only want children with, say, blue eyes, blonde hair, dark skin complexion, and a number of other features. Perhaps one day, with the aid of geneticists, parents will be able to even change the genetic makeup of their children, instead of looking for embryos that match the desires that they really want. Is it right for parents to decide the genetic fate of another human being? Could this make a child feel more like a commodity than an actual human being in their own parents' eyes? And finally, how will we be able to regulate screening by parents in the future to ensure both safety and health? Thank you.